Take this out on me. Be mad at me, but please, just don't hurt Toothless.
The dragon? That's what you're worried about?
He's just protecting me. He's not dangerous.
They've killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them.
A dragon will always go for the